Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 1st of April 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So we've now seen the best quarterly performance for gold in over 2 years. And with that, of course, we've seen gold, silver, platinum, palladium, copper, energies, agricultural markets, all breaking out to multi-year and multi-month highs in 2022. As we continue to see commodities go parabolic and through the commodity super cycle. Now, as it relates specifically to this week, we talked you through it last week, the expectation for end of quarter profit taking, which would essentially mean that you can buy back into commodities at much lower prices. We took the opportunity this week on gold to build into 4 positions all the way down towards 1,891 US dollars per ounce. In fact, on Thursday, banked at 1,942 US dollars per ounce, capitalizing over all of our gold trades with 2,000 points profit booked over this week. So a massive gain. Hope many of you have been able to capitalize on that as well. Just for that calculation, for every 1 lot contract that you'd be trading, 2,000 points banked is essentially $20,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $200,000 of profit. So just to recap on that, we discussed it with you at the beginning of this week. So here again is that exact report talking you through the expectations for this week. So let me repeat that. This week we've executed further positions on gold all the way down to 1891. I still like gold for accumulation up towards the 1900s, the 1910 zone here. I am looking for a bounce higher as we get towards the end of the week and then as we move into the month of April. Remember what we talked you through to expect all of this, the profit taking, the outflows, as you get towards the end of the month. That has all played out. Now I'm looking for that slingshot move higher. So as you can see, all of that played out extremely well. Not only did we get the profit taking at the beginning of the week, giving you much better opportunities to buy in lower all the way down towards the 1890s, we've also had that slingshot move higher. So we saw that breakout with gold trading back to 1,949 US dollars per ounce. So with all of that playing out as expected, what can we look at now into Friday's news items? So we have non-farm payroll data on Friday. That news release will be at 1:30 London time. It always causes big volatility in the markets, and that's where you can look to capitalize, either banking into strength, or if we do get any sudden moves or pullbacks, this is where I would be looking to sniper in and capture further accumulation on many commodities, which would include gold. As we move into a new quarter, as we move into April, I am expecting fresh capital to be coming into the market and essentially for higher prices for many commodities. As we've discussed with you before, commodities, they don't go up in a straight line. They will zigzag. So with that, you can take frequent opportunities to bank into strength and then reload at much lower prices by timing the cycles properly. This is where many traders get it wrong, especially if they're only using technical analysis or they're very simply inexperienced in the market. This is where they're constantly getting chopped up with the volatility. It ends up being death by 1,000 cuts. And if you're only using technical analysis in these markets, you're just going to end up getting crushed and making no money. And we do not want that for you. We want to make sure that you've got edge in these markets, that you are using data, statistics, market intelligence. Alongside that, utilizing a professional, research-driven approach. This is where you will be learning and understanding the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles for each commodity, the key areas of liquidity. Alongside that, the capital flows in the market, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, and of course, learn the macroeconomics, the geopolitics, the fundamentals, and how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in the market in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.